How to delete drafts on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete drafts on TikTok. So, the first thing you want to do is simply update your TikTok app, as if your app is not up to date, some features might be restricted and you won't be able to delete drafts. Now, once you've made sure that your app is up to date, simply open your TikTok app. And now make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Now once you're logged in, go to your profile by tapping the profile option on the bottom right corner of your screen, and you'll be taken to your profile page where you'll see the option named draft right over here. So simply tap on it and now you'll be able to view the list of all of the different drafts on your profile. So now in order to delete draft, you'll have to first of all select which is on the top right corner of your screen. After that, simply tap on the drafts which you want to delete, and now on the bottom side of the screen you can see the option named delete. So that is one way on how you can select and delete draft. Now the other is, sometimes in some people's case the select option will not be on the top right. So in order to delete draft, if the select option is not there, simply long press on the draft which you want to delete, and once you've done that, it will be selected and the delete option will be shown on the bottom side of the screen. So simply tap on delete, and now it will ask you to confirm the deletion of this draft. So simply tap on delete, and there you have it. That is basically how you delete drafts on TikTok. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.